Warning, it's time to stop using DefSquid app. We're going to get right onto that, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for all dropping on. I'm feeling much better. For any of you who have been asking, had a bit of a trim up over the dodgy illness, over the eye infections-ish. And today we're going to talk about what's the point of using DefSquid? Yes, the title is a little bit dramatic. But welcome to YouTube. That's how it works around here. We're dramatic. We bring you the articles, and I hope you all enjoy it. One big question before we get into the information. Let me know in the comments where around the world you are from. Okay, it's really interesting to see. When you put your comment, let me know where around the world you are so we see how far DocSquiffy spreads. Okay, and before you get going, we're going to get right onto this. If you're a big Firestick user or a streaming user, remember to hit that subscribe button. We bring you all the tech reviews, unboxing, leaked info and downloads. I am not a tech expert. I am not qualified. I am a normal person like many of you watchers, and that's why we relate to you, and that's why I bring you what I can to help you guys out. Okay? After arguing with somebody on YouTube all day long about how more qualified he is than me, I thought I better clear that one up. So, today we are talking about DefSquid. Many of you may have used DefSquid. DefSquid is an application which you can do speed tests, virus scans, manage your apps on, okay? Brilliant. And a lot of you have been questioning why you now need to enter an unlock code here. Why do you need to enter an unlock code on a free app, okay? Why? It's completely, whether the app has many costs behind the scenes, like some apps you have to go to their website because they have to pay for servers, like maybe a free VPN or things like that, or they cost a lot to develop. This app has been free for ages, and apparently it's been modded a lot and people are using it externally, which is still coming to you guys for free. So in my opinion, I'm not going to hate on the app. I've never used the app really. It's not really been my cup of tea because I've never needed the app. And if you guys want to continue to use the app, use it. Of course you can. There's nothing risky about it. It still shows up as green on virus total, everything like that, so it's still safe to use, but now they want your code. So then to get the code, you have to go to DefSquid.com, okay? So I'm going to go to DefSquid.com and I'll show you. They offered me my own link for DefSquid.com for you guys, okay? But I haven't replied to them because I didn't see the need for it, okay? So to get the code, you have to get the code here, and what you have to do to get that code, you have to sign up to a newsletter to get your free DefSquid code. So you put your email address in, and then you're signing up to get sent emails and messages, so kind of spammed. By signing up, you agree to the terms and services and privacy policy. The emails, I'm sure, will be filled with affiliate links. So for me to get my own link for you guys, which I'm not going to put one underneath because I don't have one, they wanted me to put some affiliate links in there for some companies I work with, like IPVanish, who I partner with, and they would send my link out to you guys, plus their own links, okay? Which is fine. If they want to make their money that way, that's fine. But I just don't see the need for it. So I'm not putting the link underneath. I won't be putting that underneath for you because you need a speed test. I'll show you how to get a speed test. You need a virus scan. Linked directly underneath this video is a virus scan. I did a video on it yesterday, okay? My device. Tell you about your device. You can do that on your Firestick. Manage apps. You can do that on your Firestick. I'll show you. Privacy test. Privacy test is slightly different. But it's not needed on a Firestick. So, underneath this video, directly underneath this video, right now, is a link to here. Firestick malware. This will check for viruses and, well, say viruses, applications with malware in or dodgy applications on your Firestick, okay? It's linked directly underneath this video. You won't really get a virus on a Firestick, so that's underneath. That's one done, okay? Speed test. On your Firestick, go to find. In here, type in Analyty, okay? And remember, guys, yes, you might think this is loads of apps instead of just one, but you don't need them all the time. You just install them when you need them. So Analytics Speed Test Wi-Fi Analyzer. There, okay? You can install this and open it up and it will check your speeds. It's an individual app, but you don't need it all the time. Why would you need it all the time? You just need it when you need your speed test. So you go into your search and get it. What else is in DefSquid? Cleaner, okay. Cleaner, we have a cleaner on my website. There's many different cleaners on my website, but now you've got the TD UK cleaner, Tech Doctor UK cleaner. So if you want to remove the cache in one hit, you can get the TD UK app, which is here. This one does cost 99p or £1, so that's up to you on that one. But as again, not always needed. We like to do things free here. So if you're worried about not being able to do it in DefSquid, just go to your settings, go to applications, manage installed applications, and you can delete every single app in here, okay? You just put the back button, push the back button, push the back button. There's me pushing the wrong button, but in applications, you just push the back button every time. So you push the rewind button, sorry, tells you at the top here, above my head, push rewind, and it clears the cache for that. That's it. You don't need DefSquid for that. You don't need to sign up to a newsletter, okay? So they want you to sign up to a newsletter. Obviously, they want to make some money, and who am I to tell people not to make money on doing what they do? But all I want to let you guys know is if you don't want to sign up to that newsletter, don't worry about it. You don't need to. If you want to, do. Literally, it is free still. It's still free. There's no risk in it, apart from you're going to get a few emails, which will have promotions in it and advertising in it. There's no link from me directly, but if you want to go to defsquid.com and subscribe, and then you can still use it. You only have to put the code in once, I believe, but then you will obviously get emails after that. You can probably block the email if you really want to. It's not a problem, okay? Just thought I'd let you know, guys know. For me, it's a no-go, but I never used it anyway. I haven't replied to their email. I probably won't. I'm sure they're emailing me again. But for me, it was a no-go. I don't use it. Never have done. Never had any need to. Brilliant. Before you leave, if you do want a VPN, a quick word from one of our partners. Obviously, we don't have sponsorships. We don't accept donations or anything like that. But if you do want to use one of our affiliated links to support the channel, that is linked directly underneath for you, okay? IPVanish VPN. You get a VPN. We get a little bit of commission, which allows me to give back to you guys. The amount of devices we're giving away at the moment, we gave away 4, 5, 6 last month. We've got a Nvidia Shield coming up very soon. I'm going to have to give away more because that's what we do here. So if you want any of that stuff, this helps, okay? This doesn't help you enter, but this just helps us provide it. But remember to follow me on my socials. Remember to subscribe to Doc Squiffy. We got one about malware and everything like that in apps underneath. Every other video you will need, which means you don't need the DefSquid app, is linked underneath. But use DefSquid if you want to. You're more than welcome to use it, but I don't see the point of signing up to a newsletter when all the apps are there available for free anyway without doing it. Just my opinion, guys. As always, everything on this channel is my opinion. I'm no expert. I'm just Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.